friends. I was just going to do a different platform today than just being at my own home. I did stop by the school. No one's here. It's just me. But I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a circle time with you guys. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. We do have our calendar. You guys were not here at school for 2 days. We're adding a new day because you're not here again today. So I think the last time I saw you was on the 16th, which is a 1 and a 6. And then you weren't here on Tuesday, March 17th for St. Patrick's Day. If you can't tell, the 17 is green. So that was kind of exciting. Then 18, and now we're adding another day. Can anybody tell me what comes after 18? Now remember, if you don't remember, you can find out 2 different ways. You can count until you get to that number, and then tell me the number, or you can look back at our number line, which I think is pretty far away, but you can maybe have your parents write down our number line for you. You can go back and find out what number comes after 9. And then we're going to add that 1 in front of it since we're in the teens. So it is 19. 1 and a 9. 19. All right, so why don't you guys count with me up to 19. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 days in March. I haven't seen you guys for 3 days. I think we're going to keep track of how many days we don't see you that you're supposed to be in school. So let's mark Tuesday, St. Patrick's Day, yesterday, and now today. So let's count them with me. 1, 2, 3. You haven't been here for 3 days. Oh my goodness. All right, so I want to do a quick little math activity with you guys. If you can't see, it's up on the board. And they are Pete the Cat shoes. So I have a group of shoes here, and I have a group of shoes here. Can you guys tell me which one is more or less? So let's see here. Let's count these. Stepped on something. All right, so let's count this group. We got 1, 2 shoes. All right, and then let's count this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's what the number 5 looks like, and then the number 2. So which one's bigger, 2 or 5? You don't know, you can always look at, this is so far away, this number line, or you can look at the one that maybe your parents wrote down for you. So here's number 2, and here's number 5. Remember, if you go this way on the number line, it's bigger, right? The number's bigger. And if you go this way, the number is smaller. So number 5 is bigger. So that one is the biggest, this size. Now, something you guys can do at home, like if you're eating snack, you can say which person has more. Do you have more? Does your friend have more, or your brother or your sister? Maybe you can, at dinner, you can say who has more. You know, does mom have more or dad have more? Or you can find out like drinks. You can see which family member has drinks at snack time, lunchtime, breakfast, dinner, or when you're just drinking. Who has more or less? So use those words at home, more, less. Who has the most? Does mommy have the most water? Does daddy have the most water? So use those words and look around your house and see who has the least amount, the most amount, or who has more than you. Okay. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys remember this from the last time we talked about it, there's a different word you can use. Equal. Who has equal amounts okay? That means the same. Who has the same amount as you? Who has the same amount of snacks or the amount of food left? The same amount of toys. Okay, all right. Now, don't forget you need to know what the numbers are without counting. So I'm gonna go through a quick few of these while you're watching. Maybe you can shout out the numbers, have your parents write in the comments the numbers that you guys saw. So how many? Quick, easy. You can't lose this tool. How many? I don't have you guys shouting at me like normally. Haha, tricky one. Did you say how many that was? All right, how many? How many? And we'll do one more. I'm just gonna go quick. How many? All right. Hopefully you had fun. So that was something very simple. Parents, if you want to work with your kids, I just used paper plates and I used a marker, and I only went up to number 5. You can go up to number 6 if you want, and just kind of make them like the dice or in random order. You don't have to, you know, like here's number 5. Just so that way when they do move on to kindergarten, they can count quickly without actually counting. That's an important skill that we work on. Another way we work on that skill is by using our hands. So kids, I'm going to use my hands, and so when I hold up a number, you can shout it out, type it in the comments, that kind of thing. All right, so here we go. How many? I have to think when I use both hands. Okay, so that's another quick skill. Hopefully you guys did that while I did that, or shouted out while I was doing that. Okay, another quick thing that you guys can do at home, I'm gonna move all this out of the way, is we like to play a game where you guess what letter I'm drawing. I'm gonna make a line, you guess. If you're right, awesome, and you're gonna have to wait until I finish doing the letter for you guys to guess. I don't have you here today to guess correctly. So we'll start with this letter. Can anybody guess what letter I'm drawing? All right, I'm gonna make another line. Let's see if you're right. Oh, I know that you guys are gonna say what letter this is, but it wasn't the letter I was thinking. This is the letter I was thinking. Did anybody guess that letter? It is the letter I. So maybe you guys guessed that while I was drawing it. But you know what? I forgot. I don't have anything to erase this, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab it. I don't wanna, you know, spread germs. Okay, here we go. Next letter. Let's see if you guys can guess this letter. Does anybody know what letter that is? Anybody guess what I'm making? All right, here goes my other line. It is the letter X. All right, oh, you guys, when I go back and do the video, I'll make sure you guys can see this. All right, I'll do one more letter today. Okay, a line down. I hope you're making your guesses. Anybody guess what I'm gonna make? It is the letter H. Okay. All right, because it's a rainy, stormy day, I thought we could do some quick ABC yoga with me, so make sure you have some space. You guys are here, so I have the whole carpet. I'm so excited. So here we go. Can everybody say what letter this is? A for airplane. So let's all make the airplane. Okay, can you see me? All right, this is how we're gonna fly through the sky. And then if you want, you can always do your other leg too. Make sure you don't fall over. All right, what letter is this? B for butterfly. Butterfly's gonna get on the floor, so hopefully you guys can see me. I'm gonna put my feet together and my knees out, like so. Yeah, you may not, I may have to take it down. Okay, C is next. What letter is this? Yeah, we're gonna do cow, cat. All right, this letter, this one's my favorite one. What letter is this? D for downward dog. You guys get 2 D's for downward dog. Yep. All right, I ran this morning. Okay. E is our next letter. Do you know what sound E makes? Okay. We're gonna eagle pose. Can you do the eagle pose with me? Okay, what letter's next? Is this letter, F, for frog. Oh, I think I did frog run. Feet together, and then you go out like that. There we go.
Mr. Meyer, can you please dial extension 284, please? Mr. Meyer, dial extension 284.
There are some people here, just not teachers or students. The janitors are cleaning our buildings. Okay, G for gorilla. So your feet, your fingers are underneath your feet, and you can rock back and forth. All right. What letter is this? H. H makes a sound, right? So what word starts with H? Horse. So hands out, feet out, bend the knees, horse pose. And then we're gonna inhale, take a deep breath, and I'm gonna sign off for today. And maybe tomorrow we'll finish the rest of the letters of the alphabet for yoga. So I hope you enjoyed it, did some with me, did some of the learning activities. Please make any comments for any of your answers.